Okay, so your kids are signing into ZUNI, which is awesome. Now I'm just going to bump in and show you where a couple different things are that are going to be valuable for MLK this whole month, as well as coming up in February, Black History Month. So I always thought that this was a perfect little quote. I'm glad we were all a little different. And then we just click continue. We're inside ZUNI. So here you see January. So all your kids are going to see January. They can click here and they can click on MLK, Martin Luther King's resources. They'll see videos, print materials, and depending on the grade level will be what they'll see. And the print materials, they will have to have access to a printer to print. But the teacher can actually assign and they can annotate, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But they can click on a video and watch the video, and then after they watch the video, when they click on the picture, it's going to open in a new link. Remember, the videos are in Safe Share, so that's going to be great, so you don't have all the YouTube stuff on the side. And then have them share back with you, so they can share with the teachers and say, hey, Miss Tina, I really love this speech, and it really moved my heart and makes me want to be a better person and really do good for the world. And so they can just respond to you, tell you what they think, and click share, and then you as a teacher will see their thoughts on the resource. And you can do that with any resource in ZUNI, which is super cool. And then I can come over. If you want the students to be able to annotate on something inside ZUNI, just remember how you can go to My Classes, and you can click inside to a class. And if you've assigned one of the resources, they can just click on the resource. They can click on annotate, and then they can use text tools. They can use any of the tools. They can change their font size. So I'm going to make this up to 24, and I can come in and just type the word in here, and then I can say, oh, teaching in the skill of, okay, once you use a word, mark it off so coming through here, they can fill out the different stuff, put their name on here, click save. Then you as a teacher will see all of this instantly as soon as they finish it as well. And boom, you have it that easy. And if it's something they want to keep, they can even plant it out to their garden later on to have it to look at later. So super easy to either A, just have them go and explore and find resources and share back with you what they think, or B, make a more formal assignment and allow them to actually annotate on a document right here as well. So let me just pop back and kind of give you a little heads up for February that's coming down the road. Now in February, this will automatically switch and it will be February, and you'll see resources galore in February. Kids can just click on this little tree too, and that will pop them over to this content. But here they can come in, and you're going to come into social studies next month for Black History and be able to click on it, and kids can come and explore all of these different sections inside of here as well. So when they click on a section, again, they're going to have videos and visuals, research opportunities, and maybe you even have the students go out and do some research for you, and maybe they're going to write a great report next week, and they're going to find websites other than those that are in ZUNI. Remember that if they go to a website, they can just click on this little extension, and it will populate it inside their garden, and they can share all the resources they find with you as well. So a lot of ways to be able to interact and engage back and forth with students. So it's a wonderful opportunity. Enjoy, have students explore, have some student agency, some student input in what their resources are finding, and give you feedback, have them annotate, and just you guys can enjoy learning all of these great things together.